This is definitely different.
So I brought my friend Lily along.
Hi, Lily.
Hi, how are you?
Meet my
Nice to meet
friend
you.
Lily.
I am a third-generation psychic.
Okay.
I would like to do a reading for you today.
Sure.
Telling you past, present, future, business, sickness, health, and love affair.
Wow. I've never done anything like this before. Wow.
Okay, so it's not what each card means individually.
Okay.
But it's what all cards mean all together.
Okay.
Girl, you gay.
Know in the competition, who is your girl crush and who is your boy crush? My girl crush is Cece.
Say my boy crush is Vino.
Girl crush is Paige, I guess.
Vino, I guess.
Would have to be Paige. I love her. My girl crush.
Who are your celebrity crushes?
Mine is
Lauren.
My girl crush, it's Fifth Harmony. Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How did I get stuck with all? Okay. So J-Mo wanted to know, have you ever French kissed a guy on the first date?
Whoa, J-Mo.
Usually the people that I go on dates with, I'm already interested in them and we've been talking. So
Yeah.
yeah, I have definitely French kissed a guy on the first date. So.
There we go.
It's different because it's here in Spain, so attack me anytime, you know? No.
It's been awesome because I feel like it's almost better.
Just in direction.
But you know it's One Direction.
I know it's. Oh, I do know that.
It's
You're right.
I think it's one Bieber.
They're both.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
She is a bitch. B-I-C-T-H.
Yeah, I love Into It because it's just, you know, it's basically just I had this crush for such a long time.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening.
I was just daydreaming about this person, and Into It was basically like.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm.
Does that person know that Into It is about them? If they
I
hear
don't
it?
know. I don't know. Probably not.
Everybody calm down.
So how's Jingle Ball treating you guys so far? It's going well?
So fun, going really great.
She keeps looking. Wow! This eye contact.
Wow, and that bokeh, it's just nice. Ooh. Oh,
I love that shot.
They're just eye fucking each other. Whoa!
Wow! Get a room with all this eye fucking.
Oh my god! Can I pick another one?
Boy, I want to
Read it first, though.
Do you have a crush on anyone on this tour? No, I don't.
That is not correct.
Just raise them up, cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah.
I just want your autograph on
Okay.
it, okay? That's the excuse that I get.
That's awesome.
Now this is where it gets weird. I know you don't know me. You don't trust me. I'm Justin. And now that you know my name, if I were to ask you to, would you just be able to...
Oh, that's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard.
Welcome. Okay.
Tell us the truth.
Why does everything have to do with boys? Okay, so Lil Portia.
Yeah, your fans are out there. They're thinking like,
Lil
I wonder
Portia
why that has to
asked,
do with boys.
what's the most romantic thing a guy has done for you? One time I was in a forest with someone I really liked, and this is a true story. And there was like music playing, and because I had brought a speaker, and it was just like a really nice moment. And he gave me a journal that he had gotten from a place he like saw each other from a distance, and then she was with her mom.
I was like, I like your shirt.
Yeah, and I was like,
It was so funny. Because I heard you singing from the booth, and I was like, dang it, she can sing. And then I saw you come out of the booth, and I was like, dang it, she's pretty too.
Walk a conversation, running all low expectation. Every time that I was in
sing. It's not just sing. Oh. Okay.
Wild and free, loving you was cool, hot and sweet. Loving you was sunshine, safe and sound, a steady place to let down my defenses. But loving you had consequences.
This is, I'm like, I know, okay? I'm so sorry.